Armed forces fought with courage, discipline, and honor. Our diplomats defended our position with clarity and conviction. And our people, our brave and resilient people, stood firm behind their nation. Let us remember, victory is not measured by territory held or battles won. Victory is measured by dignity preserved, by sovereignty defended, by the message sent to the world that Pakistan will never be coerced, will never be silenced, and Pakistan will never surrender. There are those beyond our borders who seek to rewrite history, who seek to distort facts, who seek to bury the truth under propaganda. But history is not written